Miss York here, and I'm with you guys today to bake some cookies. I have a cookbook that we are going to follow to make some M&M sugar cookies. So just make sure that you see the picture that I posted with it to know the ingredients that you're gonna need. Oh, is that someone at the door? Spurlock, you're just in time.
Are you cooking in here?
We're gonna make some sugar cookies.
All right.
Are you ready to join us?
Hey, I've got my cookie sheet and my rolling pin.
Ooh. All right, you guys. So for this recipe today, I'm gonna go ahead and let you know what you're gonna need, and then Miss Spurlock and I can go ahead and gather our materials. So you're gonna need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, some salt, sugar, unsalted butter, an egg, vanilla extract, and the best, M&Ms. So get ready. Here we go. All right, you guys, I think we have gathered what we need. Based off of the recipe, you can see we have our spread here, and we are going to attempt to start baking. And we'll start with the first page. Okay, so you can see our directions are laid out. We're gonna talk you guys through these directions so you get an idea of how to bake with us. Now, of course, this is a non-fiction text. It is definitely real, and it is definitely something you can do right now at home. I might ask a parent to help you out, though. I mean, you can attempt it on your own.
Need help with the oven, though.
Yeah, most definitely, because you don't want to get burned, right? Okay, so the very first step, it says to heat and line. Adjust oven rack to the middle position and heat oven to 325 degrees. Okay, so bake, 325, start. All right.
Got our cookie sheet.
Is it lined?
It's lined and it's ready.
Ooh, aluminum
Just needs
foil.
the cookies.
Okay, so the next thing, it says whisk dry. In medium bowl, whisk together flour, baking soda, and salt.
This is a whisk.
Okay,
so if you look for something like that, it doesn't have to be red, but it looks like that.
The flour is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So we have our flour, and this is a 1/2 cup measuring. So how many of these would it take to make 1 whole cup? Yeah, 2. Okay, so I got 1, 2. All right, got our flour done. Let's see. We got flour, baking soda is our next thing. And baking soda comes in a box that looks like this. It says we need 1/4 of a teaspoon. So I have my 1/4 of a teaspoon. And I'm going to, apparently I didn't open the box all the way. All right, got that done. And then I need salt. I need 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so I use the same one. Miss Spurlock, is it okay if a little bit went inside the bowl?
What's up there?
Right, yeah, there, okay.
Want it to go in the bowl, not on your table and make a mess.
Oh yeah, that's right.
You made a little bit of a mess, but it's okay. Aha! You trying to get it on me. That's what these are for. You take those and wipe it up.
Okay, Miss Spurlock, if you will whisk together these ingredients.
Okay.
All right, yeah, that's a good little whisking I see on there.
You could do it that way, or if that's hard, you could put in your hands like this.
I've never seen anyone do it like that.
Do this number. Just kind of roll it in your hands like that. And that way, you don't have to worry about doing it too hard or too fast and then it spills out of your bowl.
Man.
Just
Okay.
kind of do that.
Step 3, enlarge bowl. Oh, I need another bowl.
But that was the large bowl. You got a bigger
that's
bowl?
The medium bowl.
Oh, okay.
So this will constitute as a large bowl.
Okay.
Okay. So in large bowl, we need to whisk together sugar and melted butter. Ooh, I got melted butter. How much sugar was it? So 3/4 a cup of sugar.
This is your sugar.
So I got my 1/4 of a cup measuring. How many 1/4 of a cup does it take to make 3/4 of a cup? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, good job. All right, so I need to mix 3 of these. 1 1/4 of a cup. 2/4 of a cup. That's a lot of sugar. And 3/4 of a cup. Good. Okay. I need to whisk together that. And I think it just said the melted butter. Yes. So the melted butter is unsalted and it's 4 tablespoons. Okay. All right, Miss Spurlock, you want to whisk that together?
You can use the same whisk because eventually it's all going to be in the same bowl. So you can just use the same whisk. Same maneuver, rubbing it together, or you can do it around and around like this gently, or you can just kind of do it like this.
Oh, look at you. You're a good whisker. Okay, as that's whisking until it's smooth, you want to add 1 egg. And so 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So let's crack this egg. You ready for this? This is the brown egg. These are fresh eggs I get from the neighbor down the road. I'm not the best egg cracker, I'm sorry.
Well, that was wonderful.
All right, there's your 1 egg. And then it said 1 teaspoon. Now the difference between teaspoon and tablespoon is teaspoons are smaller and they say TSP, whereas tablespoons are gonna say TBSP. All right, so I got my teaspoon and I got my vanilla extract. Word to the wise, don't ever try any of this. It tastes terrible until it's baked. Okay, ooh. Miss Spurlock, will you show them what that looks like? That looks so yummy. Oh, okay.
Notice we did our dry ingredients first. Put that one in the sink.
Okay. It says to mix the flour mixture and use the spatula to stir until no flour is visible and a soft dough forms.
Oh.
So do you go from that bowl to this one or this bowl to that one? Does it matter?
I don't think it'll matter.
Let's go to the big one.
I think so too.
And I just spoon it in there?
Yes.
You can tell Miss Spurlock, she's a good cook. Can I lick this bowl? Is that okay? It's sugar and butter.
Well, you do have a raw egg in there. You could, but it could give you a bellyache.
Okay.
I mean, you could get a bellyache from eating a raw egg like that because you notice your mom and dad, they cook your eggs. They don't just say, here's a raw egg and eat it. You could, but I would just wait till
Oh, okay, I'll wait.
I'd wait till the final product. And then you just kind of fold it in. As you can see right now, it's kind of, the powdery is still loose, the flour, and then your wet ingredients are in there, so we're just going to fold it in.
Okay.
So it kind of like the consistency of Play-Doh.
Oh, okay.
Doesn't taste like Play-Doh, but...
Oh, okay.
So now I'm going to let you see the consistency of it now.
Oh, that looks a lot
See
different.
that? So now, it's really hard to fold it over. I believe it's doughy.
So now it says, use your hands to roll the dough into 12 balls, about 1 tablespoon each, and then place them on the baking sheet, leaving space between them. Okay. I got the baking sheet. And you roll it up.
That looks fun.
Maybe. All right, and it says to place it on the baking sheet. Okay. Now I'm gonna roll another one. You wanna leave space in between them. Okay, does it have to be a perfect ball, Miss Spurlock?
No.
Oh, okay. You know, I've never made a sugar cookie before.
Oh.
I've actually never made a cookie from scratch like this.
Oh, well, this is definitely from scratch.
Okay, I'm almost done. I got like 3 more to go. Are mine too small or something?
No, you
Okay.
can get, your pan's too small for 12, I think. Well, you might get 3.
Okay.
You get some of that off of the spoon too. Use every little bit. Gently flatten each dough ball. Press candies into each cookie. About 5 candies per cookie. So you're gonna press them.
Wait, do you make the cookies flat?
Uh-huh.
Gently flatten each dough ball. Pressed candies. Yeah.
You did a lot of rolling, but that was to make
did.
it stick together.
Oh, okay.
That's you making it with love.
Can I flatten it with just the back of the spoon?
Sure you could.
Okay. How do I know when to stop? Here, you want to get the camera so they can see it?
Yeah.
You want to hold it just
Right
like that. Okay. How do I know when to stop? Just like that?
Yeah. Because it said just 5
Oh, it's done.
candies.
Okay.
You might want some flour on your measuring cup to keep it from sticking.
That's pretty flat.
Mm-hmm.
Oops. I notice if I hold the bottom of it, it stops from sticking. Am I doing good?
That looks good.
Okay.
You could also take a spoon, or you could just take some of the utensils that you already have out and that are already dirty. That way you're not dirtying up too much in Mama's or Grandma's kitchen. So,
Okay, so how many do I put in there?
I said 5.
Oh, I gotta count. Well, if there's 3, 6, 9, 12 cookies, and I'm putting 5 M&Ms on each cookie, I wonder how many total M&Ms I'm gonna need.
Doing some math there.
I am. Well, I know 5 times 2 is 10. So each 2 would be 10.
Mm-hmm.
So I could skip count by 10 for every 2.
You could.
So I could do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
60 M&Ms.
Ooh. Or I could do 5 times 12. And 5 times 12, skip count by 5 12 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Yeah, so I'm going to need a total of 60 M&Ms. Now, here's the real question, Miss Spurlock. What do we do with the M&Ms that are left over?
We eat them.
All of them. I might share some with Lincoln.
Yeah.
Or really, he might share some with us.
Or you can make another batch.
I could, couldn't I? Because I still have all the ingredients. You think we'll eat all the cookies?
Yes, I do. I think you will be able to get more cookies in your mouth than me.
I don't know.
We've
about
already done that with donuts. She got the donuts.
Yeah, I could probably eat them all pretty fast. Okay, I'm almost done. I just need 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4,
They look so pretty.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you guys. So we have our baking tray done. And now we're ready to put it in the oven, okay? Can you tell me how long it says to cook it for?
It says bake until the edges of the cookies are just set and the centers are still soft. 11 to 13 minutes. Let the cookies cool completely on the baking sheet for about 30 minutes because you don't want to burn your mouth.
Okay.
And they're still kind of cooking, but they're not cooking under heat.
Okay.
So that keeps them from being hard. It makes them real soft on the
So
inside.
we want 11 to 13 minutes. So should I put it on 12?
Well, let's do 12 minutes then.
That's right in the middle.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we'll see you in just a moment when our cookies are ready.
I hear it.
It's ready. Let's bring it closer. Okay. Those look good. Okay, so we need to turn the timer off. Timer off. Okay. All right, you guys. So today we have made the world's best sugar cookies. But how do we know if they're the world's best?
Well, you have to try them.
Okay. Who's trying them first?
Oh, me.
Or me?
We'll do it at the same time.
Actually, I know someone else
Oh, I do too.
who might want to try them.
I do too.
You think?
He's about way down here
I
tall.
know someone. Let's see if we can get his attention. Hey, Lincoln. You want a cookie? You want a cookie? Come here. All right, Link, you ready? Try the cookie. Take a bite. Nom, 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 nom. Ooh, is it good? Ooh. See you guys later. Thanks for joining me and Miss Spurlock to bake some cookies. See you tomorrow.